your Uber driver. I'm just your Uber driver.
Stop! Let go of him!
I just don't want to put my hands on her.
No!
I just don't want to put my hands on her.
You're...
Dude, no!
I think
No!
they did.
No! Please! Stop!
Fighting him!
Stop!
Janet, let her go.
Stop! Stop!
Let her go.
Stop fighting him!
Stop! Stop!
You got the call? Are they
It's
got the
important.
cops on the way?
Get her, honey.
Just leave her. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I don't want.
Fighting him!
I can't get them out. I know.
Man, stop biting him.
Oh, your blood, man.
I'm sorry.
Turn your car off.